Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive right into how to generate reports in ClickUp. This is your complete 2025 guide, so let's get started. First up, we're going to the left-hand sidebar and clicking on Reporting. This is where all your data is kept and where you'll be able to generate your reports. The reason we do this is because ClickUp has a powerful reporting feature that collects and analyzes your data for you, saving you time and effort. Now that we've done that, we're going to click on Add View at the top right corner. Then from the drop-down menu, we select Table. This helps us because it allows us to choose the parameters for our report, from the type of data to the time period, so we can tailor it to our needs. Next up, we'll be configuring the table. Click on the Settings icon on the right and choose the fields you want to include in your report. Let me explain why this matters. You want to make sure your report includes all the relevant information for your project or team, so this step is crucial to get the most out of your report. Once we've selected our fields, it's time to generate the report. Click on Generate Report at the bottom of the Settings panel. This will create a table report based on the fields and time period you've chosen. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. ClickUp is using all the data you've input over time to create a comprehensive report that can help you track progress, identify bottlenecks, and make informed decisions. Finally, remember to save your report. You can do this by clicking on the Save as View button at the top right corner. This is the final but very important step. The reason we do this is so we can easily access this report in the future without having to recreate it. And that's it. You've now generated a report in ClickUp. Thanks for joining us today. And remember, the more you use these reports, the more valuable insights you'll get. Keep tracking, keep reporting, and see how ClickUp can help you optimize your productivity. Until next time.